Here's my 9-inch Blizzard fan. It's called the Sunbeam. I don't call that. I call it Blizzard. It's called. It says right there. Plug where that light right there. Turn it low. It's a 4-year-old. It's a lot of air. Turn on high. Well, that's off. High was a lot of air. Stick right there. It's a 3-bladed. And the story is, I think that was a pre-K. It's a 4-year-old fan. That was a pre-K, put a sticker on. And nothing broke on it either. Nothing's wrong with the fan. He has 3 blades. I got another one up there. But the same sound and motor and fan. The Blizzard. I think I could get that one. I'll make a video of that. After this video. It's a gold one right there. It's black and gold, the Saints. The blades are not dusty at all. This is dusty. That's all the story about the fan. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.